All right, y'all. KiloWattRC checking in. We're just trying to dial this rig in, man. Something new to me. All right, taking this thing out. Let's start. Stop. Read. 1 mile an hour. Track. We're gonna hit start. It's a brand new build. Old chassis, brand new build, but I don't really have any experience with this type of platform. So let's see what we can get today. We're just dialing her in. See how she does. Got a lot of goodies under this thing, man. We're just trying to get her to run right. That's our whole goal. Get this thing to run right. All right, let's go. See how she did. It's a little dusty out. Y'all gotta give me some credit because it's real dusty out. She sounds smooth though. She sounded real quiet, man. So let's see what we got, man. We're just breaking her in, y'all. See the speed still registering. Stop. Read. 158. Y'all like that? 158. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can beat that 158, man. These lipos are not prepped. The wheels I have on here are they're old wheels, and we're just shaking her down, man. So let's see what we can get now. All right, let's try one more time. Track, start, stop, read. 1 mile an hour. Track. Like I said, I'm not used to this kind of platform, but we'll give it a shot. But we're just getting her dialed in. A lot of goodies under here. We'll go under the hood in a little bit, all right? Like I said, it's real dusty out here too. But she came by real quiet. Y'all hear how quiet that was? That was pretty quiet. Like I said, these labels are not prepped at all, guys. All right. Let's do another pass. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It's just, I hit the brakes. She slid around. She did all types of whatever. So we're gonna walk to it. This is a very short runway, guys, so can't really do nothing too crazy here. Oh, receiver battery flew out. Yeah, we lost the receiver battery. That's my bad, guys. So let's see what speed she got. It's not bad at all. She's still on, ESC still on. Look at the speed is registering. Stop. 155 on that pass. Yeah, so we lost the receiver battery, that's all. Let's see what we got under here. Brand new build. I'm sorry about the receiver battery, guys. It's kind of sloppy in me. I was like, what happened? She did a 360. Must have flew out. So this is the build right here. Oh, lost some tires. Looks all right. That's just my bad. The cedar battery slipped out of right here. But yeah, man, this is a pretty cool build though. It's got the MGM controller in here, 563. Got the Leonard LMT 3060. Got some Onyx 9.5Ks. Got the scorched chassis, scorched bulkheads, scorched driveline, PPS motor mount. Yeah, that's not bad though. 158. We'll bring her out again. Like I said, these tires are old. Look at that. Look at that. That tire's done. Look at this tire. These tires are old, like I was telling y'all. That's just done. What's the rear look like? The rear's alright. Yeah, she ran pretty good though. Oh, we got Saga Racing, my 1.5 gears up in here. But the build is definitely running good. Big shout out to MGM controllers. Big shout out to Onyx Lipos. Big shout out to ScorchRC. And of course, big shout out to KiloWattRC. Alright, because we in there. Kilowatt. Got the 158, you know what I'm saying, just fooling around. This build has a lot of potential in it. And let me prove to y'all it still works. Let me hook up the, what's it called? Let me see, can y'all see when I do this? Let me just hook up the what do you call it, receiver. That way I ain't gotta walk it back. Even though it ain't real heavy. Alright, so I got the receiver hooked up, guys. Let's see. Oh, let me turn off. Because it has to check for receiver. What is it, not on? Would I break it or something? Oh, it even turned off. That's crazy. That's crazy. I even turned off the switch. Yeah, so she runs. See, she runs. So we'll be back at it, guys. You guys see the build. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Very amazing build. I don't even know how I managed to fit this in here. We are running 14S with non-prep lipos. Just doing some tests. She's running pretty good. So we'll see y'all next time, man. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Y'all take it easy and peace.